for jealousy.
Yeah.
I pity them. I pity those who see their failure in your success. You know, these critics, they were once dreamers. They just wanted to achieve something that today you have, but they gave up and they started becoming jealous of you. Pray for them because they're in a lot of pain.
One of the things that I see usually when I do therapy, a lot of women, they prefer to stay in a miserable relationship instead of get out.
Yeah.
The fear of being alone is greater.
Yeah.
So would you give some advice to these women?
We all tend to invest ourselves in relationships. And as I said, if you are doing something